Hello everybody, myself Aditya Ramesh Nikam. I am studying in second year Bachelor of Technology in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are learning the topic which is related to the discrete mathematics, that is the connectedness and its different types with its examples. Let us focus on our topic. The topic name is the connectedness and different types of examples. In connectedness, it is the one type of graph which is the topic which relate the graph theory. In this connectedness, there are two types of graph is included. First type is undirected graph and second type is directed graph. In undirected graph, in the undirected graph, the graph which have not present the direction, this type of graphs are included in the undirected graph. Undirected graph is said to be connected if any pair of nodes they are reachable from one another. In undirected graph, the direction are not assigned, so they are included in undirected graph. Next is directed graph. The directed graph is the one of the type of graph where the direction are assigned in that graph. In the directed graph, there are three types of connectedness which are included. Let us discuss one by one each connected and its example. First connectedness is the unilaterally connected graph. In unilaterally connected graph, for any pair of nodes, at least one should be reachable from other. As we can see, I represent one example here. That is A node are reachable from B node are B is reachable from A, C is reachable from B, and D is reachable from C. In this graph, I represent that the at least one node should be reachable from each other. So this type of graph is known as the unilaterally connected graph. In this graph, in this image, I show the direction of the graph, so it is included in the directed graph. ABCD node, these four nodes are at least one should be reachable from other. This type of graph are included in the unilaterally connected graph. The next type of connected is strongly connected graph. In this graph, for any pair of nodes, both the nodes should be reachable from each other. In this graph, one figure is shown, that is this figure. I represent the four nodes ABCD. In this node, both the pairs are reachable from each other. That is, A is reachable from B and B is reachable from A. A is reachable from B and B is reachable from A. In this way, this graph is included in the strongly connected graph. We discuss the another node, that is C. C is reachable by D and D is reachable by C and C is reachable from D. In this way, this graph are shown that both nodes are reachable from each other. In this way, we show the nodes are bothly directed and they are reachable from each other. So this graph are included in the strongly connected. In strongly connected, there are many nodes are reachable from each other. In this graph, I represent every node are reachable from each other. So this graph is represented in the strongly connected graph. So in strongly connected, a graph can be defined as strongly connected if every vertex can be reached from every other vertex in a graph. In other words, any directed graph is called strongly connected if there exists a path in each possible direction between each pair of vertices in a graph. In this graph, there should be many ways from reachable from one node to another node. That is, in previous we discussed that A is reachable from B and B is reachable from A. So we can say that this type of graph is strongly connected because they are reachable from each other. In unilaterally, at least one node should be reachable from other. That is, A should be reachable from B, but C is not reachable from D. So in this type of graph, there are many small difference in different graphs. So we can say that strongly connected graph is the very frequent graph. In this graph, which may not strongly connected itself, they may be pair of vertices, say A and B. They are called strongly connected graph to each other if in case there exists a path in all the possible direction between A and B. So this type of graph is known as the strongly connected graph. Next type of connectedness of graph is weakly connected. In weakly connected graph, in this type of graph, we find that neither V is reachable from U nor U is reachable from V. In this type of graph, we consider that we consider U and V pair. U is not reachable from V and V is also not reachable from V. That is, there is no path for V to reach the U to reach the V, and there is no path for V to reach the U. So there are no paths included in this graph. So we are not say that this is a unilaterally connected or strongly connected. That is, no path should be existing to reach from U to V or V to V. So this type of graph are included in the weakly connected graph. In this type of graph are different types from unilaterally and strongly, which the unilaterally and strongly connected graph are not a weakly connected graph, but weakly connected graph should be not node which are not reachable from each other. So this type of graphs are included in the weakly connected graph. In this way, we discuss the properties related to the connectedness with its definition and small examples. In this way, we can study the connectedness and its example with different types. So thank you for listening my word. Thank you.